Vybz Kartel, along with his fellow dancehall artist Shawn Storm and two others, recently scored a major win when the Judicial Committee of the Privy Council overturned their murder convictions. It turns out that the Jamaican government is now on the hook for covering the costs associated with this high-stakes legal battle. That's right, folks. The government will have to cough up the cash for everything from attorney fees to court expenses. Ouch, that's gotta sting a little. But hey, justice isn't cheap, right? And Vybz Kartel and his crew have certainly been through the ringer. After all, they've spent over 12 years behind bars, all while maintaining their innocence in the murder of Clive "Lizard" Williams. The Privy Council has recommended that Jamaica's Court of Appeal take a closer look at whether a retrial is necessary for the accused. And with a 5-day hearing scheduled for June 10th, we'll be eagerly awaiting the outcome. So, what do you think, folks? Do you believe Vybz Kartel and his crew deserve this legal victory?